I got bras in the middle.
Step out wearing that dress, showing that ass, and it's a fucking rap.
I am about to go to bed, y'all. For real, on the low. On the low, I'm going to bed, really. So, I'm gonna show you guys how I do, my little routine to get ready to go to bed. And to, relay my hair so that it's, you know, laid throughout the day and I don't have any flyaways. So I'm going to use the Jam Moisture and Shine Gel. So I just pretty much put it on and then just rub it on my hair. Now I'm gonna lay these freaking edges. Using 2 products for my edges. I'm definitely gonna use the Hicks edge control or whatever for my edges. And I'm just using a regular old toothbrush from the Dollar Tree. Nothing special. So what I do first, as y'all can see, I mean, I have edges, but, you know, I think because I was wearing wigs a lot and stuff, they kind of just, of course, went away. And I'm going to use this Jamaican black castor oil. I got this from, I think Target. I just put that all around my edges, all around my edge line. So I'm kind of going to start on this side. This is kind of how I start every day anyway. So I kind of just swirl it and just swoop it up. Bang, boom. And being that I use a little bit of oil, kind of makes it shine a little bit. So same way with this side. Just wipe it up. Pipe it up. Pipe it up. Just to have it extra saucy, I go in with the Curls Blueberry Bliss Control Paste. So this I use. Just wrap it around this part tight, and then I don't have a silk scarf. I need to buy one, but I don't have one. But I have a silk bonnet, so. Yeah, and if you're wondering, this ain't my hair. Nope. I think this would have been a lot cuter as a style ponytail. This is a crochet hairstyle that I did, and pretty much it is some twists, some, what do you call it? Like the mambo jumbo twist, but I got this in like the 12 inches or whatever. So I just put it in and I unraveled it. I'm coming to like like it all together because it just looks like a big huge ponytail, and I love it. Crochet all around. It's a braidless crochet actually. So yeah, I should have did a tutorial. Maybe I'll do another tutorial once I take this out and you know I get some fresh hair and I get the Janet collection like I liked it. So I actually really love this style. But yeah, so it's like a braidless crochet ponytail. But anyway, thank you for watching my video. I don't even know why I made this video, y'all. I really don't know. Girl, this looks like my natural hair. I love it. I'll see you guys in the next video.